So this is our Society Hill Showit template. At the time that I'm recording this is our #1 best-selling Showit template. And I think it's because it really hits all of those markers, right? It's moody, but it's traditional, it's classic, but it's modern. And of course, with all of our Showit templates, we include those training videos to show you how to switch out images and customize fonts and colors. So this template can really end up looking completely different when you're done customizing, but it's a really great foundation. Because we are a copywriting and web design studio, all of our templates are built with copy in mind. Specifically, we use the story brand framework, which is really just about having a clear message throughout your website, always providing a next step for your website visitors and providing those clear call to actions. And you'll see that throughout this template. With all of our Showit templates, we of course include pretty much every single page that you're going to need. Home, about, services, a sales page, all of those blog pages that you need, and a contact page. We also include coming soon, a 404, and a unique specialized Instagram link page. So right up here at the top, we have room for your business name, as well as a really clear and easy to use navigation. Below, we have room for a large image here. This can be an image of you if you're really the face of your brand, or an image of your work. And then right away, we're giving someone the opportunity to learn exactly what you do and who you serve. And then a great call to action. This section right here is meant to introduce you to your website visitors. So right after we tell them what you do, we're going to tell them who you are. And I love that we incorporated this super beautiful botanical leafy background here with that color overlay. And of course, in those training videos that come with your template, we'll be showing you how to switch out all of these colors to really customize it for your brand. Underneath, we have some information on the experience that you offer, and the idea is that someone is going to be clicking this link here and going to your services page. Below, we have 2 popular links. So this section could be used either for 2 blog posts. They could be linked to 2 separate pages. They could be linked to 2 of your services. They could be linked to 2 galleries if you're a photographer. So this is really a versatile section for you to kind of offer someone 2 of those top places that you want someone to visit. Then we have this leafy border here. We have some Instagram images here. You can link these back to your Instagram, and I also show you in those training videos how to make your live Instagram feed appear here. We have navigation again, just in case someone comes all the way to the bottom and they want more places to go next. And then a great SEO sentence, again, to explain exactly who you are and what you do. On the About page, I love this kind of overlay element here. This allows you to really tell someone why you love to serve your ideal client. I'm a big believer in your About page really being about your ideal client and how you serve them rather than just about you. So this kind of gives you room to do that. In this section, this is where you can include a short little bio about you so someone can get to know you better, as well as some images of you and kind of your life and some favorites. You could even switch these up to little quiz questions and answers. That's totally up to you. I've even seen someone kind of take this section and do travel locations or bucket list options. So you can really customize this to fit you and your brand. And then we have another secondary navigation link, which gives someone 4 different options of where they could click next. We always want to be making sure that there is a next step for your website visitor. On your services page, again, some more information about the experience that you offer. I love these layered images here. A great call to action. And then these are set to scroll. So if someone clicks on service number 2, it's going to scroll them to that section. And of course, you have room to name your service or package, provide a starting at price, or even information on a timeline, and then some more information about that service. I'm a big believer in always stating your process and next steps. You really want to make sure that it's super easy for someone to get started working with you and that you make that process feel really simple. So here that process is laid out, and then we have room for a large testimonial. And there is the option of next and previous so that someone can scroll through multiple testimonials to read more about what you do and what that experience has been like for others. And then we have this great frequently asked questions section. So whenever a question is selected, it appears in this kind of orange, pinky color. And then that question and answer, along with a call to action, is going to appear right underneath. Now, your sales page can really be customized to fit exactly what you need it to. So I've seen people use these for courses or workshops. You can also make one, you can duplicate your sales page and rename it and make one for each one of your services, each one of your offerings if you'd like. That way each package has its own page. It's totally up to you. And of course, in those training videos, we'll show you how to hide any canvases that you don't necessarily need right now. So we have this great announcement bar, some more information, and this, I love this, again with the copywriting in these templates. So let me guess, you're feeling stuck and craving more. So this is right where you want to hit them with that pain point and let them know you know exactly how they're feeling, and then this is how they're going to feel afterwards. These are all those success points that you're going to hit. In this section here, this is outlining each goal within the course. This could even be steps in that service if you wanted to customize this page that way. And of course, when they're clicked, it opens up to the next lesson. And of course, any bonuses or maybe other things that you want to kind of pinpoint. Great testimonial section. This allows you space to introduce yourself, just in case someone is kind of coming to this course or workshop page through a funnel and maybe they don't really know that much about you. This gives them that opportunity to learn. A great call to action with some payment plans if you need those options, and then again, some frequently asked questions. And of course, we have the blog page. Now, I love to create some kind of sidebar or top bar that introduces you right at the top of the blog, because not everyone that is on your blog is coming to your blog through your website. Sometimes they're coming through Pinterest or through an outside link. So we really want to give them that space and let them know, hey, this is who I am. And I have given you the option for some categories as well. Now this blog is set up to work, so there are 2 posts, of course, side by side here. And then we have older posts and newer posts over here on the left. And this can be duplicated, as many times for as many posts as you need in this section. And then of course we have your contact page. If you use a CRM like Honeybook or Dubsado, then of course you can switch out this box with your embedded contact form. But if not, I wanted to still give you a gorgeous form that you could use for your website visitors to contact you. So this again is the Society Hill Showit template. It was built for the classic but modern but edgy creative, and I cannot wait to see how you customize it for your brand.